everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to do a fun flip through of my envelope flip journal, and I have a tutorial on starting this with you guys, and I will post that on the end screen so you guys come check it out. And this will be in my Etsy shop, so I'll have the link below if in the description if you guys want to come check it out. And even if you don't purchase, just come favor and, you know, favor my shop and stuff. It helps me out so much. Okay, so let's get started here. All right. So I think it turned out really fun in the front here. I just got a botanical little specimen pocket here, and it's got a little magnet and a pocket, so you can put some stuff in there. And you can see through. I think that's so cool. Okay, and then it just goes around. It has that's the closure. And we got ourselves a little beetle that comes off with a clip. And it's just a little flip. It's little pieces and scraps and stuff. I mean, you can even take them and, you know, rip them off and use them. And they're all hand dyed. They're avocado, onion dyed, Brit dyed, tea dyed, coffee dyed, acrylic splatters, gesso. So it's just all just mixed media, fun papers to play with. Okay, and some stenciling around. So that's just a fun little clip that you can clip on just wherever. And I just thought it looked cute there, poking out. Okay, and let's see. So we got our fun little envelope flip outs with tons of goodies. So I stuffed the pockets full for whoever purchases it. Gets a bunch of goodies to play with. I just have them throughout. And more journaling spots here. These just open up like that. These open up. There's 3 of them. Just fun little index cards. And I put a brad on the other side, so they just kind of open up like that. And just a little pocket with the little washi sticker there. Okay. And some more goodies. I thought this was fun. When I did the pocket, I went ahead and left the leaf like that. The leaf stencil, I thought that was cool. Okay, so these go in here. And then I love the fabric. This is just fabric. And the base of the whole thing is made from a paper bag. So I just went ahead and sewed, this is all sewn onto the bag. And that's the back part. So there we go. That's the front of it. And then on the inside, I'll put all the measurements and the signature, how much is in here, and everything in the description in the Etsy shop. So this is one of my digitals that I went ahead and just sewn on here. I thought it was fun. It's a good fall theme. I'll put the digitals down below if you want to come check them out. And yeah, just did some stenciling throughout. And this is all just hand dyed papers and stuff. This is just great journaling spots. There's tons of room to journal. Just some fun little papers. And these are, I can explain this one, they're photocopied, scanned from my garden. And it's fun little, you know, petunias and stuff, and some violets, and yeah, so it's kind of neat. It's just from my garden, and I scanned them and put them on paper. So I thought that was fun. So yeah, this is just a bunch of journaling spots for you. And then just some more fun things, and then just a little journaling card that I made. So I thought that'd be fun tucked in there. Okay, so there we go. And you got a little pocket back here. And that's the back of it. And some beads. And yeah, so I just thought this was just a fun little journal. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And come check it out. So thank you guys for following along. And please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share. And let's grow together. and have a great day.